Hey guys, in the last video we have seen how to import the modules, math module, and we have worked on the math module. Now let us see on how to use a module of random. We'll see a small real-time use case on how to generate an OTP. So nowadays we everyone are using OTP. So how does the OTP generation actually works? So a simple program on that. So I'll be importing a function that is a random integer. So what does that random integer do? Random integer will print any random numbers you specify. So the function itself is a rand int, but that rand int is a part of a random library or a random module. So for that, I will import from random import. I can import all the functions, but I'll import rand int. Okay, let me execute this. Yeah, it has executed. Now let me use print and I'll say rand int. Now you can see the suggestions also. Now it is showing you all the functions which are inside this random and specifically random integer. Then I'll specify the parameters. So it will ask you the parameter. So from in which range, you can see this, it is asking you a and b. So it both are integers. So I can take 0 comma 9. So I want any number that is printing from 0 to 9. So if I execute this, you will get any number between 0 to 9. If I rerun again, so you got 8 here, now you got 9. If I rerun this again, so I'll get any other number between 0 to 9. I'm getting 2 here. So now you are thinking like, hey, I am getting only one number, but what if I want OTP of 6 digits, 4 digits, and so on? So we can use a for loop for this. We can use a for loop, but for now, for a simple understanding, or you can call it as a very baby steps, you can use rand int. You can put 0 comma 9 parameters, put a comma, again you use rand integer. Inside that again you can specify 0 comma 9, and again you can use rand int. So actually this is not recommended. You have to use a for loop for that. We are doing it once we do a flow control iterative statements. We are going to do that. Rand int from 0 comma 9, and you execute this. It will execute this. So you can see random four numbers are generated. If you want 5, 6, 7, 8 times, you can just rerun this. Every time your code or your integer will be changing. You can take any number from 0 to, you can take from 0 to 9, or you can print 2-digit numbers also. So this is one of the simple real-time use case of the module random and a function rand int. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.